I do or die. That's why I'm gonna follow up war, brother. I'm gonna follow up war, brother. Me don't follow up war. Me no follow up war. Remember me an international dancer, you know. Remember me an international star, you know. Believe it or not. Take it if you don't want like it. Me an international star. Me just learn certain things. Me a visa for every country, you know. Me just not enough, you know. That's true, no mind see me sit down and say me now move and them something there, you know. That's true, me not enough, you know. Me an international star, you know, whether I don't like it or not, you know. That's why me avoid certain things. Sometimes I just love some things. Coming on, me nobody take me my freedom. I just TikTok people come over here so and I go like they want lower people standard and lower people morals and them something, you know. All the baby pampers know Dyema, you know. All the baby we born yesterday know Dyema, you know. I just mean enough of myself and hype up myself like some people, you know. I just live natural and normal like everybody else, you know. Cause if my friend a fuck a boy right now, and my friend say, me I stay with him and I beat my friend, kill my friend. Mr. Stay with him if I want to make my friend cuss him out back. And if my friend want to go back tomorrow morning, I don't care my friend want to go back, I don't care. And if my friend say I leave, me say if I want to leave, you leave. And if you want to stay, stay. But me know say if I lick my friend, me the class, your blood clot, I don't go back and pill, go lick head, me don't care, me they say it. I don't care if I want to lay down back with him. I just work with what you work with. If I say I leave, you leave, well, fine. If I stay, fine. But I still go cuss out the boy same way for you. I don't care if you want to go back. That not nothing to do with me. I still done him blood clot. And if you want to go back, go fuck in my mind. I don't care. But I just cuss him and say, John, go help my friend for. Ray. But and if you want to go back to my mind and go little and fuck the boy, I don't care. But I still go cuss the boy. Simple. I just mean that. That's why I'm going to keep the whole of a crowd. I'm going to keep the whole of a crowd and the whole of a company. And for me, I just a par. So true because he train the pan rose now. Me fi just Lego rose and just a par so. Everybody have them team, you know. Everybody have them team. Everybody have who they respect. Everybody have them friend and they have their friend back. Everybody this, everybody that. Me hear someone I go talk about, oh, Dyema no got no match because Dyema no want backlash. First of all, me never went go got no match anyway. Me not know for myself. Where no bones or dog ain't invited. Me not know for myself. Me ain't gonna know for myself so. I you know have nothing to do with bring down or nothing. You don't have nothing to do with it. Cause even what day when film boy come and keep all the party and something. Me did say me never go on party, you know. Me did say me never go on party. I Rose tell me if you come on. Me not like enough for myself, you know. Me not like going to space and me feel like me not welcome. Me not enough up. Me not enough up. As some mistake, brother, me not enough up. I just try Rose, a Rose tell me if you come on. Cause me even say Rose, you tell me if you come on and the people not invite me. And Rose say, what do you Dyema come on? Mr. Rose, what do you mean I like enough up in a Rose? I say, come on, man. Attitude, you love fronts too much. Me not enough up, brother. Me don't enough up. So me don't know what I talk about. Cause even if me didn't make up my mind, if me make up my mind and say me I got a match, who care if Rose did one vex? Me tell us I not take program. Say me when I got a match, me got a match. Why would me apart with my friend? I see my friend in a depression. I'm going to go take up myself and go kill up myself. And gone and so when me don't even welcome. Cause for you cuss my friend, automatically not bite me up, you not cuss me too. But you just not say it out loud. Cause I mean somebody apart, brother. So you not have to bite me too. But you just not talk out loud. Nobody not done so no idiot. So why would I not fuck myself and put myself in one position? Because not fuck myself this and now. Cause obviously if I two somebody apart, for you name up one and go name up all. I don't everything just not go talk out loud, bro. Don't talk about like you not no sense, brother. Talk about like no sense, brother. When people talk about people hold on enough and people figure sit down. Talk about like no sense, brother. Me no idiot, brother. Me not dunce. Me not dunce, bro. Cause obviously if I not nyam up Rose, me a walk with Rose. And first of all, me depend. Me a go get nyam up too. Me probably just not get nyam up loud, but me know me a get nyam up too. So me no know one I go like nobody dunce, bro. Nobody no dunce, bro. Nobody no dunce. I mean, I like enough up myself. Me not enough up myself. I mean, know when people like me for when people don't like me. I mean, when people in me for when people not in me. Nobody don't have to tell me. You see me? Me my load and miserable, you know. A far God show me, you know. Me see everything before everything coming at all times, you know. I just choose sometime, you know, follow my mind. But me ever see things before I reach. Me see everything from far, all the while. If me go to church tomorrow morning, I can't reach you people. I just because me cuss too much bad word and just itch up in a dance. Cause me telling you know, me want a God servant, you know. Cause me see things, you know. Me see things before things come, you know. I just because me cuss pay bad and I don't want to go to church and them something, you know. Come on, I be one of God good servant. Cause me see things. Me see through things before things reach. I me cuss too much bad when they got dancing. Cause I soon change all my life too. Because I see everything coming before they reach. That's why you see me just go and build, brother. Me not enough of myself. Cause me not able. Cause me remember say me not like every. You know, yes, when you not like you not try to force yourself in a position. When you not like you hold your lane, brother. Tell me say me not welcome. I say come there so. Hello, if chat. If you go one place, thank you for your will, baby. You have to know say you're not welcome in a certain circle. You don't have to wait for people to tell you. Feelings connect and them thing there, bro. Me know when me welcome, me know when me welcome, you know. Me know when people want me to come, you know, and me know when me not go. Me know when me welcome at one place, and me know when me not welcome. Me see me feel me energy. Me can't feel the energy. So me not enough up myself, bro. Me not enough up myself. I'm not trying to put myself in a space where me know me not fit in, bro. Better me stay alone. Me not trying to fit in myself in a space where me know so me can't hold in this so. Me know for me type of company them. Me know me type of company them. If you want a risto company, me not try to force myself to par with you, cause me no risto. You not go want par with me, cause me brawling and me aga. Say me brawling and me aga. Why me I go try to force myself to go par with somebody with risto when me know me can't keep up with the risto liberty? You understand me as a chat? Me not try to put myself in a space that me not go fit in. If me a rank right, yeah, so me not try to fit in myself with the top rank of them. Me stay down in my levels and down in my lane when me there. Me not try to force up myself if you go up so if you go force up myself if you go fit in. Me not try to do that. You see when me go a river? Me know say be a judgment go come off of the river, you know. Me know be a judgment when go come off of the river, you know, when time we left Dallas Sunday and got the river, you know. Me see the whole of the judgment, you know. And me leave me car and see me not come out, you know. Me see the judgment before the judgment come, you know. Miss heat, you know. You don't think me in the river? Me in the river, you know. Me just don't come out of my car. Cause me see the judgment. Me see it. So me don't even think me in the river. Me did the river. Me just see the judgment a come. Me see everything a come. Cause anywhere too much TikTok a there, judgment a come off of it. Me a telling you that. That's why me stay in my car, brother. Me feel like me name did it. Me did it, brother. Me did it. Me just stay in my car, bro. Enough things. And if you don't want me talk, me can't talk. Cause me sit down Rose as a bigger woman for Rose. And me tell him. So when you not come chat off on no more about people not tell Rose nothing. Me sit down and tell Rose all everything before I reach him. So me talk if you don't want me talk then. Me tell him before everything reach him, me tell him. Me tell him which space he not fit enough and which space he fit enough. Me tell her. Since you don't want me blood clot talk. So nobody feel like people not tell Rose nothing. Yeah? Rose doesn't one big woman. And Rose just work off her own free will. And Rose head not so right, you know. Like for me, I know. Anything what Rose might tell Rose do that Rose do, you know. Nobody can tell Rose do what he do. I'm not telling you that. I love me. Don't tell me to leave nothing. Come out of my chat and go suck your mama. And allow me, let me talk. Let me blood clot talk. Allow me, let me talk. You don't allow me, let me chat. I saw me bill for talk my mind. I not bill for play hypocrite. I just don't want no problem sometimes I avoid the argument. I bill for talk my mind. I want straightforward girl. And I hate play hypocrite. I just choose sometimes I don't want no problem. I just low things. You not tell me to leave shit. Because every day you say me not tell Rose nothing. I tell Rose. I tell Rose when fitting if I want no blood clot fitting her. A Rose no listen. A Rose no blood clot listen. I'm talk my mind. Not tell me nothing, man. Can't love contact about people not tell Rose this and people not tell Rose that. Eh? More time sit down and tell Rose when fitting her where enough you go. Where enough you do. Eh? I don't come chat up no more. Let me talk my blood clot mind, man. Because they already not like me for a man. Let me talk my blood clot mind. What I talk about? I see me say, you know, when you see the argument, you know, when I talk about me, not tell Rose, you know. When Rose pin when get take away, you know, I say Rose. Rose said, Dyema, I can't stay and I can't sleep, cause me don't know, me pick them gone and Rosa drink and Rosa say can't see. Rosa say, Dyema, me want go in a club. Me say, Rose, me not going to no club with you. Can you say if we go in a club like you pick them get take away, the people go beat me in the morning. Rose say, Dyema, me can't stay in here. And when me see Rose did it and they say, he can't stay in, and me just say, alright. Me just make up my mind and say, come on. Come up, me have to go make up my mind and take the beating. Because the woman they drink and the woman they crash out. And he say he can't stay in the house. And me I say Rose them I go deal it with wicked, you know. Yesterday we got the club. We lost 5 times, you know. And Mr. Rose me a turn back. Cause sign this. Here, and me still go with him. Cause me I say John no. He say he can't stay in here. And me still take the beating. I don't come and talk about, oh, Dyema big careless woman, Dyema not this, Dyema not that. What me not tell Rose? You don't know nothing about me and Rose. Nothing, none. If Rose listen enough time things not reach him, I told Rose not listen. Rose not listen. Come and tell her how Rose stay. Rose not listen. Rose have about 6 mentality. 6 different sitting in a film head. Rose not busy. You can't sit down right there and tell Rose sitting in her ears. And you gone through Rose ears. You be sitting and say, Rose not click no live. You can't tell Rose that. I mean, have one mindset like that too. When I make up my mind, people can't tell me what to do. So me just leave her. Make she comfortable with what she do. Because we are big people. Because if you don't feel like me not tell Rose which space, you don't feel like me not sit down and tell Rose when we fit in for what we not fit in. Me tell Rose when we fit in for what we not blood clot fit in. Eh? And every space fit we. Because we are dog, we are hog. As they say, my big old hog, and me a hog too. And everywhere fit we. We don't fit in every category. I want to come on and chat. Someone in the comment section, the tough face old man, the big old careless girl, I want stinking boy, one suckle dirty man with name DJ something and other. I can't put up about Dyema careless big man. I wish part of blood clot me careless. Eh? No, can't call me careless, call me no careless. Me just a helpful, genuine girl. But careless. One little dirty, nasty, careless man, they say name DJ something. I got to talk about Dyema big and worthless and careless. DJ, you fuck up, man, on big and worthless and careless. What you call careless? Me look like me careless to you. Me not walk that short pussy on the road. Me don't know how I can call people careless. And no one can walk in my shoes. No one can walk in my blood clot shoes. You tell me with you people like to boast. I mean a boast. You see what I want to come out and cuss. Oh, the one of them I keep serious. And the one of them I drive BMW. Me don't want a BMW to drive. Me a leader, me no follower. Me do my own thing. Me stay in my lane. And me buy what me can afford. And me buy what me can maintain. You just dip and blood clot man every day, so. Look at my shirt, man. Come here, all boxing, me all. My back mine no broad, you know, come a little mark, you know. But me can't take any pressure when they come to me. Come a bill for tell me tell you something. My man 26th of March. My bill for struggle. My bill for this. Me a warrior of God. My bill for this. I might look sad sometime, but my bill for this. Me bill for this. You hear me? I tell you no? My bill for this. Me not afraid of backlash, you know. Me a human being. I'm going to feel some type of way, but my phone lock off. But me not afraid of backlash. Because my bill for this. And one day I go up on the pulpit in a church. I preach to her and show her some the bill for this. And show her some is a warrior princess. You know. If me not dead before or not dead before me, when you go see me on the pulpit one day in a church, tell you about me. Because I built for this. I built for fight. I built for fight the fights. I built for fight the fights. Me not afraid of backlash. I built for fight the fights. Nobody can make me afraid to talk my mind. I build so. I feel that way, yes, because me a human being. But I built for fight the fight. From a born me I get fight. This is something from a barn. Me I get fired. I build for this. People just get up and tear me down and hate me for no reason. No reason. People just see me and just not like me. I mean never do them nothing. I build for fight the fight. Me not afraid of backlash. I will feel some type of way when my life lock off and them thing there. Because me a natural human being. But my build for struggles. You see, by the time I lay down in my bed, and I look up in the sky, and I shed 2 tears, and I talk to God, and me that stronger now than ever. Notice me lose my shop, me not even kill up myself. Me never get it back yet. And me never kill up myself. Because when God has blessed me, my blessings come in a full. I never name up myself. I still know all day no depend. I hear a Dyema, man make Dyema there. You don't even know the circumstances of why me there. You don't just talk behind you scream because you don't want to talk. You don't know nobody's struggles. You don't know when nobody go through. You just see people come and scream and smile and laugh and just talk up on the mouth. You don't know why me there Airbnb. Remember me own a house. Eh? I go just left out of my yard so if you come pay money for Airbnb like me an idiot. No must suck while me there. Man no have yard. Man have yard. Say if I wear man, I'm telling you something, no fool like one of things. If I wear man, maybe I told man that have me like the yard. What the blood clam that the rent here, me a man live a town for. You don't think me a Juby Scooby and me a clown? Me might act like I am it, but me no am it. Me might act so to the public. Man have a yard. Say if a man me come here too. I could have was so. I could have was so. Me in a Airbnb I could in a man house. Me a Juby Shubby. You don't know nobody's circumstances. You don't know why people in a Airbnb. I'm not free for Airbnb no money we have. You don't know just one chat. You don't just one chat. Hey, go suck your mother, boy, please leave. Hey, you leave my place and all a black. And I go suck your mama and leave my place and all a black. And I go lick out your mama and all a black. Hey, girl, lift up under this blood clot, you know. When I see my head mad, me attack my mind. Hey, girl, lift up out of this blood clot and leave your son. No, hey, spicy one. Leave your son, man. Leave blood clot, your son. Me not look no friend, I'm in one band. Me not care who want blood clot like me, God like me. Cause I don't have me on a ear train already. Someone live up on my comment section and go lick out to no parents. Cause I'm not hypocrite. Leave on yes, man. Leave on a blood clot. I don't want to do an yes, man. Leave my place, man. I mean, I don't want nobody to send no request and no box. I don't no box like this blood clot. Yeah, who this? So me eat garden. One depend. Every day you depend Dyema blood clot, maga. Eh? Dyema maga. Eh? Flesh ungrateful. Flesh come and flesh goes. Flesh come and flesh goes. Flesh ungrateful. Flesh come, flesh goes. When I worry about fat and I run down this and I run down that. And when we go down in a blood clot ground, Congo I'm going to have the whole of that flesh there. Nyama have speechless. Eh? I don't make nothing bother me, you know. I never run down name brand clothes. Nothing bother me, just I live. I just live till God say live, till me can't live no more. Flesh ungrateful, flesh come, flesh goes. I don't run down this and run down blood clot that and the moment we down in the ground, Congo run me way out. Our flesh have nothing more to do with it. I'm a slim and trim and look good same way. I don't know them up on the blood clot self. I don't know them up on the self. Every day me on the pan. Dyema under blood clot filter. Dyema under blood clot filter like something do me. Something do me. Something blood clot do me. Class or Anglo no. How are you? Want to see you? I can't nobody me. Nobody think me done. Nobody think say me top course. Me still have a course no. So nobody think say me done course. But I think me done course. Me not done. Me done. Don't make me tell you, me still a course. Me a class them then to tired of them. Alright, me done. I can't say me a mascot now. I'm not that going to say. You're about to be continued. No, sir. Of course, my bread.
Yeah.
What? There's a mask up. Cut you?
Okay.
Alright, me done cuss ya, man.
Alright. Sure.
Yeah. It's just people who ask about wooey. We're gonna stay like this. My dear, scream my call, I know they more bring me down. The people don't see you. You don't see Van. That Van they can hide. If people don't know Van, nobody must not see you. Everybody knows you. You can't hide nobody else.
You see a chat?
Hypocrite them.
I know them that done me.
You're supposed to done you. You're lucky. You're supposed to.
Come here, let me ask you something.
What? Me? Yeah. What am I vex? Yeah, cause my number has been assaulted. But you would have listened.
Why would you listen? You tell me something I feel like I'm going to get me and somebody or something in a hurry.
What did you feel like still back? That's dirty Kimmy. Kimmy, you have to come, dog. But it's sweet, me. I call Rose name in your mouth. So come here, I'm black you. Come here, girl. Come here. I ramp my friend. Come here. You could have 150 badge. Come here, you dirty blood clot, you. Don't call me my name. Come on. Suck your mama, leave. Don't call my friend name. Run certain joke about my loyalty. Go ahead. Left my place, girl. Leave my place and I call my friend name. I first of all my place, so we are mad out. I'm not doing nothing, you know.
Yeah, but I guess, man, you have fun.
What is? What? You're jealous? You're jealous? I wish me have guess. You wouldn't get to come in here. You never have fun about grow up game with the woman in the shorts with the people them say in a box over here. You never have fun. The people them say woman you're gonna match with on the clothes. You never have fun.
Yeah.
The people them talk the things them now.
I say one over here so now some set and mix up but I love them.
It's not the chat a mix up, you know. Cause it's not my chat that be in a box. Huh?
The people overall, yeah.
Cause we know come on match we could have know everything we go on.
Which girl made it up in a shots?
I don't know.
Which girl made it up in a shots?
Figure it out, you know, so you're not gonna stop the one of them tiger and the bucket, you know. Somebody more bust up them blood clot, you know. Yeah.
Come here. What deal?
We vex.
I am sorry, okay?
Yeah, we vex. I mean, I say it publicly, we vex. We vex and feel away. The two away.
Sorry. My apologies, darling.
Well, at least he apologize.
When I start my life, I apologize to my platform.
But we vex though. And we are be honest. Listen, when I'm man, you know. And we not tell you what to do, we can't tell you what to do, you know, but we did feel that way. And we are be honest in front of the screen. You see it? Because, listen, I'm not a man, I will not get involved in a woman kiss. But, you know, say, nobody know we not going away. You know that?
Right.
So we did feel that way, and me attack plane and me not run a bend. So we did feel that way. Because remember, you know, who know we are worried about a man, we don't want a woman argument. But me and Rose did feel like, say, we know if bill, we know if we sit it out. Me are talking for the face, me not go behind the back, me feel that way. And Rose do feel that way too. But we know we're not a man, and we not get to a woman something, but just you know, say, if you know somebody have sitting, don't you know, say, we not go go. Me and nobody know nothing, you know. But immoral as them and Rose, and beef Rose now go. I will we are par, we are Fantastic Four, we have to sit out some things. And everybody live on the lives. You say we grow in the corner and play it up. We can't tell you because we are stream and I say talk, so we are talking too. We did feel that way in the car. Roger come out and Roger talk. Roger and then they beat her, you know. I mean, after the line, Roger start talking. I mean, I Rose feel that we are end up ball upon life, you know. I we did feel that way. You know, so I Rose not sleep last night. None at all. Swear to God. We stay up on the phone till daylight too, we. Swear to God. We feel that way. Every minute Rose up and Dyema tap ball, I mean, and Rose, me can't hold and Rose up and by the time Rose tell me to tap ball, I swear to God we not sleep. We feel that way. And if we Roger when they lick it on we, it make us feel that way. But it feel that way if it's true. We know say I'm a man, you know. Don't get me wrong. When I'm a man and we don't say we don't feel if we get involved in it or whatever. Cause remember I'm in it, you know. But I just show Rose and I hold away apart, you see me? When I really in it and then me I say, cause at the end of the day, you know, the other team, you know, everybody I defend who them up already, you know. You understand me I say? And if I went the other way around and a Rose I bring on the people them so and all of the company scream would have to have Rose back. So everybody have their friend them back. We have to have our friend them back too. Cause if you no company scream today, Jay and a man this half you know say I hit that for we and them. We are black them. We not deal with them. We not say if you come in it, but we just think we should have sit it out because look away for we. Cause me sit it out, you know, and I don't mean a problem. But me sit it out. Cause imagine if you ain't go, me ain't go, and Akin go, and Rose would not go. That would look away, you know. That's why I sit it out. And I just see truth. Cause I look away. And we know a man, and it was a big woman argument, but at the end of the day, every man a defend their woman. Every man a defend their woman. At the end of the day. Cause if I went the other way around, and fool boy, then they come. I ask you. Cause they understand loyalty to them grounds. And we loyal to us, so we have loyal to it. Cause I see some people that comment about only one man they make an enemy no make. Enough people we done we talk to phone. And we don't care because we stand the ground for us, so we are going to just know say anybody who not worry or anything with uno depend we depend. Cause at the end of the day, enough of them never like you know. And enough of them never used to play with you know. I just show uno there so now and nothing I go load up. Make enough of them a run into. Cause all heap of them not like you know. Same way. And remember you know, me there a long time you know and people love me you know. And since me a par with all of you know, me get a 8 train you know. And I tell you you know, I'm sit down in the 8 train and a business come depend loyalty me say. Loyalty me say. Me don't care. I sit down in the 8 train too. Cause I know all that make them create the 8 train around me you know. Cause you know all along people will love me as a Dyema that time. And they just create a big 8 train around me. And me just in the 8 train and me now go jump. Cause all if tomorrow morning is big for happen to you. We not cut. We done in it already. We have to sit down in it. Any judgment that take on we have to take we took and we done in it. We have to firm in it. Cause me not gonna Me no care if they want like Rose and cuss me till die kingdom. Come me nah go know it. Cause me don't end up in night, me have to stay night. Anyway you put yourself, you have to stay night. Anything what happen, I just say go. No, it don't really matter. But at least you know man enough if say. Cause we did that rule last night, you know. Cause me I say Rose I say Jane called them and I said no. Rose me say Akin called and he said no. My Rose star said Jesus Christ, so then don't with them. God know, me I tell her in front of the screen we're not afraid.
Chad, you see you on my platform this man.
I don't see a platform, I soon envy me.
But it's so reason. But as I say, if Dyema feel away,
Yeah, me feel away.
I shame and respect, but so me have to apologize properly first thing as it. As a man, I just want to make sure I say, yeah, if I hurt her feelings, I should feel some type of way. Sorry about that.
You know why I feel away? We have on the back 100%. So we just feel like so we have to be back to all on a man and it's a woman argument, right? Yeah, but here what happened now? Me not in an argument, you know. I must say me not in it neither, you know. But me just stand me ground as a friend, as a dog. You understand me? I would just feel away because we are saying, you should have sit down on the out still, you know. Because we know some people don't go consider that, you know. We know so they don't go consider that. We know. It's just true because...
Yes, only in a comment section and lock strap for lock it off because I'm just over here put few.
No, them are mixed up, you know. I really look on comment section, you know. Can you see them now? Them are mixed up. Can you see all of them when they chat on the yourself? You see when Screamer card come, them done we. I don't really look on comment section, I talk. I don't really look on them. Because them appear hypocrite and to barrel over yourself. I tell you. So I don't really look on comment section. I reason I not look on comment section because it's sweet them because they have to say they have your chat out.
True, we thought the truth. You're stuck on the mother because when screen card him come out, I want to see him and this and I bring her down. You think me I hear that? That's why I'm not to open my mouth and talk, you know, because I can't trick me over here saying, you know. The same thing on over here, push her and add fuels to flames.
They can't push me.
As soon as screen card him come out, I want to see him over there bring her down. You know, I hear nothing on have to say in the comment section. No lucky if you don't like me, no like me, bro.
Them can't say no lie, I mix up.
That's why I know say me
apologize. Them a mix up, because I go in how much comment section.
I may apologize to Rose.
I go in how much comment
live, I deal with it properly.
I go in how much comment section and see my contact about, oh, no man if you make enemy for yourself. This whenever telling us if you make nobody talk about no enemy. We are human beings, we are going to feel away because if nobody this, you know, we are stands the ground. Anybody this, you know, we are stands the ground. I really, Jay, you see me there on my platform and I not look in the comment section, you know. I not look in the comment section because I don't engrave me. I not really look in the comment section.
Short, yeah, you don't know, say it was basically a charity event. We just started with if you give up to the community because the whole storm and hurricane and something, so we just stay so. I understand? You know, really want to boom back.
Yeah, I'm not busy with that. I just tell us in front of your face. I mean, I'm go behind the back and go like saying, Ray, because remember me is a straightforward smart, you know. Remember me and nobody don't have nothing, Jay. Remember me and nobody don't have nothing. But the moral is it. If me did come with you gone, me gone, Akin gone, and Rose, you look away. So when I youth, you know, when I'm man, so when I'm gone, so I just stand the girl grounds. You see me? And build and clutch. I'm not going to comment in here for an hypocrite. Come on, Thomas, come here. Come blood clot here. And not tell me about our. Me talk to my dog. Me not talk to you. Me know what I mean. I talk to you, moving no hypocrite blood clot. Cause at one segment you don't like them, you know. Every day you come in the people comment section, come bring them down and talk about oh this and go ahead. I'm not tell you nothing. I will talk, not tell you nothing. I move for your song because I don't like them. I don't like them. I tell you nothing. I don't like them, amount of enemy and amount of class, no class with them, you know, I don't found no. Amount of anger, no anger with blood clot them. So I'm not going to chat about the man if you create enemy. I want to pound no anger with them, I will take it. And stand the ground so I don't move on yes so. Because I don't never will like them, I don't class them, go and class them come. And bring them down and tell life and blood clot them. So nobody don't come nothing. I will buy enemy we get up and we sell for them too. So what? If you know how we talk. I will buy enemy we get that too. So what? So what? Wife we want say we want, so we say what we want to say. And we not have to go behind no back go talk. Everybody a pick their side. And we and them Paris, the Fantastic Four. If you don't want, we go in at it and talk. So leave we alone. Because we never like them. But they never like them for true. Mount a cuss them cuss we. Yeah, me not like them man, them a grieve me youth.
Sure.
Me hate my life. I mean I get grieve and I don't want to talk the things then. One man.
It's not so now, go on. I don't even know how I go on.